Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this video I will show you how to fix bugs on WordPress, how to solve problems on WordPress without to freak out, okay? Because WordPress is great, but let's face it, it creates problems when plugins conflict each other. This is the main reason that you have problems on WordPress, when so many plugins are at the same time on WordPress, and all these plugins have been created from different creators, and if a creator make a mistake on the code, that can conflict with other plugins and create a problem. But don't worry, there is a solution, and actually there is easy solution to fix this every time it happens. This video will be one of your favorite videos, and if you stay up to the end of the video, I will tell you how you can get this exact website you see here, this digital store that comes preloaded with 265 ebooks, that you can get this, install it on your own hosting, on your own domain name, and sell the products, the ebooks, and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. Okay, I will let you know at the end of the video. Let's go to show you now. I was making a video and I find a problem. And this is the opportunity to make a video about how to fix a problem, because it's the correct time that I have a problem. If I go to the cart here, I have a product here on the checkout and I'm ready to complete the checkout. And I have a discount coupon and I want to use it. So I put the coupon code here and I click apply coupon. And when I click that, look what is happening. It disappeared the checkout page. So it's blank. If this happened to your customer, this can be a problem because they can't complete the checkout. If I go and click back on the cart here, then you will see that the discount coupon has been applied, and that's okay, but your customer will not know that you have to go to click on the cart or refresh the page. So we have to fix this. How you can fix this? And actually the same problem happening if we click to the remove here to remove the discount coupon. Let's see, I click it and we have the same problem again. So this has to be fixed, and this is my opportunity to show you how you can find this. You have two ways to fix this issue. We have to go to the WordPress dashboard. We'll show you both of the ways so you can decide what is better for you and what is actually my favorite one. So when you see a problem like that, most of the times, if I don't say 100% of the times, most of the times it's a plugin conflict. Some of the plugins are conflict each other and create this problem. So we have to go to the plugins, install plugins. And one way to handle the problem is we can deactivate all the plugins except the WooCommerce plugin, because we know that the WooCommerce plugin is what we use in this case, and we have we need this plugin to check, because we do the checkout through the WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so we select here all the plugins. We will unselect the WooCommerce. We can't deselect actually the WooCommerce in this case because we have more plugins that are related and connected and dependent from WooCommerce. So we have to deactivate all the other plugins first before we deactivate the WooCommerce. But in this case, we want to keep it active. So let's click here, deactivate, and all the plugins will be deactivated. And only WooCommerce will stay active. This is what we need. In your case, it can be another plugin. You can maybe troubleshoot with Elementor or other plugins. But in this case now, I know that the WooCommerce plugin is what I need. So everything is deactivated and only the WooCommerce is active. Let's go now to check if the problem is there. Don't bother, it looks weird because I have deactivated the plugins. So I go. And this is, look, it's a good opportunity to say that. This is the reason that I don't choose this option, because if you have a website which is active and people visiting, you don't want to deactivate all the plugins so people can see something like that here, a mess. Okay, so that's why I show you the second way after this way, which is the best. And your customers, your visitors will not realize that you are troubleshooting on your site. So let's go to test now. We'll go to the cart again and let's apply the coupon. So it's fixed. You see here, it didn't go blank. It works. The discount coupon has been applied. What does it mean? We know now 100% that the problem is coming from a plugin conflict. We don't have now a doubt from where it comes. One of the plugins was causing the problem. We don't know because we deactivated all of them. Now what we have to do is we go to the plugins and activate it one by one. For example, we activate the first plugin and then we go to check the problem, if it's there. Okay, so let's say remove it, because the problem was coming also with a remove. The problem is not there, it's working, so it was not this plugin. Go to the next one, activate. It's active, let's test again, let's put the code. It's working, so it was not also this plugin. That way we can test, let's activate the next one. That way you can see when the problem comes back, then you know that that was the last plugin we activated that was creating the problem. Let's remove it to see if the problem is there. The problem is not there, it's working, so it was not also this plugin. And you do this one by one until you find out which plugin was causing the problem. Okay, let's use the coupon again. This takes time, that's why also I don't use this option. I'm just telling you so you know also this option. It's working, so it was not also this plugin. You can do this one by one or two together, two plugin or three together if you have many plugins, so it doesn't take so much time. Anyway, I will activate all the plugins because I actually know what plugin was causing the issue. I just do this to show you how you find it. Let's say, let's activate everything except the plugin that causing the problem, which is, in this case, it was the direct checkout plugin. Is this plugin here? I will not activate it. I will activate everything except this. This video is one of the most important you will see, because if you understand this, you will troubleshoot and fix the problems yourself. You will not have to pay, or you not need to pay a developer or a person to fix the problems for you. Let's go to the plugins to see if everything is activated. Everything is activated. I left out only this plugin, which I know it causes the problem. Let's check again now the issue. Let's remove the coupon, and it works. So none of the plugins I activated was causing the problem. Let's activate also the WooCommerce direct checkout and check again. It's active. Let's go now to apply the coupon. Apply a coupon. You see that it doesn't work now. So we know for sure that this plugin, the WooCommerce direct checkout, is the one causing the issue. So in this case, for me, I know why this is happening, because I just added something extra on the site, which I know now why it's conflict with this plugin. Okay, you have to choose an option. When you find out which plugin causing the problem, you have to see if it's a plugin that you need it, you keep it and you have to contact the support. If it's a plugin that you don't need it, for sure, deactivate it and remove it. So you have to judge what you will do. If you keep it deactivated, you can contact the plugin support to report the problem, etc. Okay, so let's now show you. I will keep it active and I will show you the other way, which is better way for me. Let's go to the cart. Okay, so we have everything is working now because I just clicked the cart. And now I will show you the other way, which is the best for me. We have to add the plugin in this case. Let's go here and add a new plugin. And this plugin is called Plugin Detective. Plugin Detective. We're waiting, it will appear here. Is this one. Okay, we'll click install now. Then we'll click activate. So how this plugin works, you have to find it here on the tools. You have two ways to find it, or here on the list with the plugins. Plugin Detective, and click Troubleshoot Plugin Conflicts, or under the tools is at the bottom, it says Plugin Detective. So these two options you can click, or here, and you can start the troubleshooting. Let's click here. We start to open a new case, and we have to be in the page where the problem exists. Let's go to the cart. Okay, and then we say yes, I am there. We click here the button. All right, and then here it says, it's asking you which are the plugins that required you can't deactivate. So we keep these plugins active, and then the system, the plugin itself, will deactivate in the background all the rest of the plugins. We don't have to do it manually how we did it before. So we say to the plugin detective here that the only one which we require to be active is the WooCommerce. The rest we don't care. Otherwise, if we deactivate the WooCommerce, the checkout will not work anyway. Okay, so we keep the WooCommerce active and we click I'm done. And then start interrogation. So we are here, what we have to do, the plugins now have been deactivated on the background. Some plugins, okay? We don't know which ones, we don't care. The plugin is doing here the work and it has deactivated some of them so we can test. But the front end, the website is working correctly, so our customers, our visitors, will not notice anything. That's why I see that this method is the best. Okay, so let's put the coupon and click apply coupon. So the problem is fixed, and we say here, it's asking, is it fixed or is still broken? So we say yes, it's fixed. Start interrogation. Then let's click remove. We need to do the action we did to reproduce the problem, because otherwise we don't know if it's fixed. So we click the remove to see if it will work or not. It's working. So we say yes, it's fixed again. It's so easy. Just follow the steps here, nothing else. Continue start interrogation. Because the plugin on the background is deactivated some of them, then deactivate some others. It's testing different scenarios to find out which one is causing the problem. So here we have to test it again, because when we do the action, we produce the problem. So it's fixed, okay? Say yes, it's fixed. Continue. Let's remove it. Now it's broken. So now we have to click the button. No, it's still broken. Okay, continue. Let's apply again the coupon. Every time we need to do the action. In my case, it's needed the action. In your case, maybe you just refresh the page and it will refresh the page and you will see if the issue is fixed or not. So it says, yes, it's fixed. Now it's working. Start interrogation. Let's remove it. No, it's broken here. No, it's still broken. Okay, so we find out which plugin. It says here WooCommerce Direct Checkout. So that is how I found before which plugin was causing the issue. Okay, it was very easy. And here it's asking you here, deactivate it for me, or you will do it yourself. And from now on, you have to judge if this plugin is a must one, you have to have it or not. But in any case, if this creates a big problem on your site, you have to deactivate it until you solve the problem, so your site will not look broken or anything. Okay, so in this case, I say deactivate it for me. Okay, if I go to try now, apply the coupon, it's okay, it's fixed. Okay, so that's it for these two ways. For me, the second one is the best, but if there is any reason that you can't use the second one, we have also the option to use the first one, which is just slower and is not so good like the second one. But you have two options. Now let's go to the home page. I promise you that I will let you know. You can get this digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can get and sell as your own and keep 100% of the profits. It's a full digital store. It's a full store with many pages. You get it, you get the backup file of this store, you install it on your own hosting, your own domain, you put your logo here, it says your logo, you connect your own PayPal, Stripe or any other payment gateway you are using, and then you sell the ebooks and you keep the profits. Okay, in the description below you will find a link where you can get more info and how you can purchase the store. You will see a sales page, there is a video that explains more, and there are more info there you can get, and you can get it there in a special price for now. Okay, and if you find this video valuable, actually I hope you find it. For me, this way and this plugin has saved my life many times for me and my clients. Okay, if you find it valuable, please like it, subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about WordPress and make money online. On the comments also you can say if this video it was helpful, or any other suggestions about video you want me to create, any other problems you have with WordPress and you want me to create a video for this. I will watch all the comments and I will try to answer also as much as I can. And thank you very much, and I will see you on another video. Bye bye.